How's it going, everybody? Today I want to show you how to install a door latch. The main reason why is I have a 3-year-old who can unlock deadbolts, and that is a terrifying thought to me. So we're going to toddler-proof my front door now. Woo! And make sure this is super high and she can't grab it, which is the plan. So let's get to it. And what you'll need, in this case, I'm using a door chain lock, so that's going to be our lock. A Phillips drill bit, because these are Phillips screws. And then what you're going to need next is a 1/16 drill bit. This is for the screws, that way you don't strip out the wood or anything like that. It's just nice, easy, and then it's secure. And then if you have one, a drill. Then if you don't have a drill, you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so here's my front door. It only has a deadbolt and a knob. We're going to put the chain up right about there. Figure out where you want the lock. In my case, I want it fairly high. I don't want her little arms to be able to reach. But I also don't want it too low, or well, I don't think it really matters how high you have it. But I want something like about right there, you know? That seems like a good height. So I'm gonna mark the holes. So that looks good. And after I get this one on, I'll line this one up. That way I can have it almost parallel with each other. It'll be good to go. So this isn't going to be like perfectly parallel just because it's a curved surface, but we're going to do our best here. You could chisel it out, I guess, but I'd rather just drill a hole, you know? So we're just going to do the top one right now. I need a longer drill bit, 1 second. Seems pretty good there. Can't kind of shake, but nothing too crazy. All right, so next part, you want to make sure this chain is far away enough to where you can still take it out, but it's not too far to where you're locked in your house forever. So now that I'm happy with my distance, I'm going to kind of line up the middle where the chain's at. Just make sure the chains are lined up. So this guy will be a little higher, but not too high. All right, cool. Oh. Who's it? Who's there? Uh-oh. This might be she might be able to fit her head through this. That's not good. I gotta make this further out. It looks like a guy could just break this off and make the chain slightly shorter. Can we do that? Can we make the chain shorter? I might honestly have to do that, because it's kind of scary that she can move about all she wants. So, chain is too long. That's not good. We'll have to make the chain shorter. So I don't want to yank it over there. That seems like it's overkill. So we're going to break that weld. I'm just going to take a screwdriver here. And pop it. All right, same thing, breaking this link. I removed the washer off of the original lock. So all I'm going to do is rethread it. Bada boom, bada bing. Yeah, that's good enough. All right, we've whacked it and now it's sealed again. All right, let's see if this works now. The chain is shorter. Looks good to me. Now let's open the door. Oh yeah, she can't fit her head in that one. I can't either. I can kind of get my arm out, but that's about it. I like that. That's perfect. Yeah. Slight wiggle, nothing too crazy. Definitely holds. Nice. So yeah, that's how you install a door latch for your front door. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did like it, leave a like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks again. See you. Who is it? Who's there? What do you want? No, I don't want solar panels. No, thank you. Goodbye.